Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another scan code video. Right now I'm in a vehicle. That is right, I'm in a moving vehicle. Since I'm on vacation, I didn't really have time to make this video in the hotel room, so we're going to be doing it in the car. So we're going to start off with Proceratosaurus. Hopefully the shakiness of the vehicle won't affect our scanning. You can pause the video and scan it. Wow, that's very shaky. So hopefully you guys got that. You could probably zoom in. Here's the next one. This guy's the Saurus, our little minty boy. There we go. Now let's go for the Chomping Rex, the Stomp and Escape or whatever. This guy, I forgot to get the scan code in its actual review video, so here it is now. And the Ocean Protector Mosa. Which flipper is that on? It's on the back one. Wow, it's very white. There we go. No. Coming. Maybe if I zoom in. There's a zoom feature, guys. Okay, so there we go. That is it. We're going to do the zoom feature on the rest of them because this is a lot better. So there's the Rex. Here's the Saurus. Okay. Maybe we need a bit more light, maybe not. And the Proceratosaurus again. So if you guys didn't get any of these scan codes, again, you can pause it so it's not shaky. If you didn't get any of them, leave a comment down below which ones were not scannable, and I'll make sure to feature them in the next scan code video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.